made this happen. The Wellpreneur Program cares about you. The people who run these clubs care about you. All the mentors that are here, they're here for you. We're not here for our health, we're here for you. Your mental health, your well-being, you finding what you like, and make sure that you sign in today. That's what Passion Pursuit Day is about. All right? Back in the day, when you were in high school, did you experience anything like that? Did you experience bullying? Were you a bully? And how did you overcome it?
Probably like my freshman year, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of bullying, cause you know what I'm saying? I had to, you know what I'm saying? Big teeth and all that. And plus, I was just an annoying kid. But realistically though, you gotta, like I said, almost lose your confidence. You kinda gotta wake up every day like, yo, it's to me, like I'm the flyest, I'm the wavest. Cause then it gets a little bit hard to kind of shake that confidence, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, nah, you just gotta know that you it. Type of, and just, you know what I'm saying? That's really it, realistically.